1st September marks the foundation day of the Nationalist People's Party. The day is also the birth anniversary of the party's founder, late PURNO SANGMA, who had formed the NPP in 2012. A function that was held in Shillong to observe the day witnessed the presence of the state president, Dr. W.R. KHARLUKHI, National General Secretary James K. Sangma, National General Secretary Women's Wing MEHTAB A. Sangma, State Working President D.W.R., Working President Women's Wing P. NONGPLUH, and President Shillong City Anthony NONGBRI. Speaking at the function, Dr. W.R. KHARLUKHI stated that even though the NPP has been recognized as a national party, yet the heart of its leaders lie with the people of the Northeast. KHARLUKHI went on to say that the founder of the NPP, late PURNO SANGMA, hailed from a humble origin but became a towering personality in the field of Indian politics.
What I realize is that national party caters to national interests. They'll first look for their electorate at the national level. But we might be recognized as a national party, but the heart of our leader is with the people of Northeast. So this I learned. And there is no one to protect us. We are the only people who protect ourselves. P.A. Sangma rise from a humble origin to be a towering personality in the political field of India. So my call today, like what Madam has said, that will take a pledge. Not only that we remain loyal to NPP, but we take a pledge that we will build a party in the Northeast so that we will be recognized at the national level.
The National General Secretary of the party, James K. Sangma, informed that the party was founded by his father, late PURNO Sangma, in 2012, but in a short span of time, the NPP has achieved the status of one of the 8 national parties in the country.
Seen the party grow so much over the years, and it's been a very short span of time wherein we have achieved so much. As we all know, the party was founded in the year 2012 by our late leader. We had a very humble beginning because immediately after the party was formed, the first elections that took place was the elections in the year 2013, wherein we contested in different states, but we were only able to win 2 MLAs in Meghalaya and 4 MLAs in Rajasthan. That is a very humble beginning for us as a party. But we have grown from stride to stride, and today our party, within such a short span of time, we have been able to achieve the status of a national party, which is no mean feat. And it is a matter of great pride for each and every one of us as members of the NPP that NPP is one of the 8 national parties in the country. And recently, another milestone that we achieved was the inauguration of our party office in the national capital in Delhi, wherein many of us also attended that program.